So let me introduce you to Logan Social Services. Make community service easy, affordable and meaningful. They were running 18 Google AdWords campaign, yes 18, and spending over $53,000 every single day. But the results, almost nothing. The leads were junk, conversions were missing, and they had no idea what was going wrong. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and today I want to share one of the most emotional and rewarding projects we have worked on. This is not just a case study, it's a story about rebuilding resilience and real results. So let me introduce you to Logan Social Services. They are a registered non-profit that's been helping communities in the US and Canada for over 15 years. They offer online community services courses for people who need to complete hours for court, probation or school. Their mission is simple but powerful. Make community service easy, affordable and meaningful. So everything is online, self-paced and widely accepted. Sounds perfect, right? But when they came to us, things were falling apart. They were running 18 Google AdWords campaign, yes 18, and spending over $53,000 every single day, but the results, almost nothing. The leads were junk, conversions were missing, and they had no idea what was going wrong. The keywords were too broad, tracking was broken, and their Google AdWords account was not even linked to the Google Analytics. It was like trying to drive with a blindfold on. The emotional impact was huge. This was not just a business, it was their life's work. The founder had built it from scratch for over 15 years, but the stress got so bad. That's when we knew we were not just fixing the ads, we were helping someone get their business back. So we got to work. First, we have paused all those old campaigns. They were too broken to fix. We have started fresh with a clear strategy and structure. We have launched the new campaigns using the PMax and standard search. PMax helped us reach people across Google search, display, YouTube and Gmail, while the standard search gave us control over high intent keywords. We also split their services into popular and less popular categories to focus budget where it mattered most. So next, we have fixed the conversion tracking. We have added the Google Tag Manager and linked GA4 properly, so every click and conversion was tracked. So now we had clean data to work with. Then we rewrote all the ad copy. The old ads were vague. We highlighted what made Logan Social Services special: their non-profit status, wide acceptance, 100% online model, and their mission to help people move forward. We added site links, callouts, and snippets to boost the visibility and the clicks. We also improved the landing pages to match the ads. That helped lower costs and improve the quality score. Our audience targeting, we built custom segments: people who visited but did not convert, those searching for court approved services, and users interested in similar non-profits. We ran remarketing ads with messages like "Start now, pay later," and "Get your certificate today." We didn't stop there. We cleaned up their merchant center, fixed their product feed, and made sure everything followed Google's rules. We also monitored the performance daily and made sure the real-time changes to bids, keywords, and the placements. So now in terms of the results, in just 30 days, we have got 359 high-quality conversions at just 17.21 per lead. Bounce rates dropped by 38%, and most importantly, the client got their confidence back. The business was no longer losing money, it was growing again. The founder, who was ready to give up, was now full of hope and ready to scale. This was not just a win for us, it was a win for everyone who relies on Logan Logan Social Services to turn their lives around. So what's the key takeaway? If your Google ads feel out of control, if you are spending money but not seeing the results, then don't panic. You are not alone and you are not stuck. With the right strategy and a team that truly cares, you can turn things around. At Softtrix, we don't just run the ads, we rebuild trust. We bring clarity and we deliver the results that change lives. So if the story speaks out to you and you are ready to fix what's broken and grow with the confidence, reach out. So let's write your own success story next. So if you have any PPC campaigns running, then we can get started with the free audit. You can just share the access of your PPC account with us, and then we will be able to get back with the plan of action on what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then you can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to reply right away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. See you next time.